bonsoir, good evening. And as I understand, you came to me because you want me to measure your face and check the symmetry. Is that correct? Okay, good. Of course, I can do that for you. No problem at all, no issue at all. Ça ne pose aucun problème. Pas de problème. Ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais d'abord passer un petit temps d'observation. Un tout petit temps d'observation de votre visage pour analyser sa forme. On va aussi regarder un peu chaque élément qu'elle compose. Each one of your features that compose your face, your eyes, your nose, mouth, but also the texture of your skin, the placement of your ears and your eyebrows, how your muscles rest on your face, how they move, every little thing. Okay, I will take my time because I don't want to do any mistakes. Donc oui, je vais prendre tout mon temps. Donc le mieux c'est soit que vous vous installiez confortablement, parce que ça va mettre quelques dizaines de minutes. Ok. Donc, comme je le disais, première étape, on va analyser votre beau visage. The first step, as I said, is to take a good close look at your face. You can close your eyes. No need to keep them open. You can even fall asleep. That will not be an issue for me. Don't worry. All I need is your face. Like this. To take a close look. On the other side as well. What if you know, each face are not perfectly symmetrical. We all have our specificities that makes us, an eye bigger than the other, smaller, same. An eyebrow different, can also be your muscle not resting exactly the same on both sides. But that is what is making each face perfect and unique. You know, that we can recognize each one, and it's not a problem. Like when you meet someone, you are not looking for his particularities, you are looking at the whole face, au visage dans son ensemble, à l'harmonie qui se crée entre les différents éléments du visage, voyez. Ouais. Ok, je pense que je vais pouvoir commencer à mesurer, mais avant ça je vais juste bouger un peu vos cheveux. Je vais vous dégager le visage, ok. Ok. Et on va juste utiliser une petite pince pour les fixer en arrière. Ok. So, just going to clip your hair like this. Okay, it's not too tight. Good. Let me just check your hairline for a second. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to measure your face using my measuring tape. So, okay, on the top now. Just going to mark some reference spots. Okay. So for that, I will be using this and making sure. Okay. Over here in the middle as well. Okay. And on the bottom. Like that. Okay. Now maybe one just right here. And right here. Okay. Another one right here. And right here. That's good, 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 good. Maybe just one right here. Good. And now I'm going to measure the distance between those different spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, toute petite différence de ces deux côtés. Donc, pour l'instant, ouais, au niveau du fond, il y a un minuscule écart. Mais vraiment minuscule écart. Ça peut venir de l'implantation des cheveux. Mais sincèrement, ça ne se voit pas. C'est pas comme si les gens se promenaient avec un mètre pour mesurer votre visage dans la rue. Sur le mètre, on ne le voit pas. Et si je prends d'ici, ici, ok. Ça me semble parfait. Okay. Ok. Là, ça va être les tout petits éléments. On va faire les yeux. Très bien. 5, 6. 5, 6. 2, 1, 1. Pour le coup, vos yeux sont parfaitement identiques des deux côtés. Au niveau des sourcils, ouais, une toute petite différence. Rien de flagrant. On va dire juste quelques petits poils qui manqueraient de ce côté, c'est tout. Ça ne se voit pas encore une fois. Votre visage est en parfaite harmonie. Maintenant le nez. Ok. Ok, la bouche. Can you smile for me? Okay. That's good, you can rest now. Now from your corner of your mouth to your ear. Okay. Same on the other side. Okay. And from here to here. From one ear to the other. Lovely. Just want to be certain. Okay, that's good. That is actually very good. Your face doesn't need to be fixed or changed or anything at all. Your face is perfect the way it is. Don't worry. Don't worry. Very good. I hope you enjoyed this little relaxing time with me. It has been a pleasure to see you, to see you, to see you, to see you, to see you tonight. I hope I will see you again. Not hesitate. I'm always here.